Hello sa inyo mga tolls and welcome sa aking channel. Ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo ang bagong tutorial especially for you by Mymp version. So, let's start. So the first part of the song is the introduction. So, yung intro niya is gagamitin ko lang isang chord lang. It's C9. So, yan yung introduction ng kanta. Next is the verse part. So, after that one, especially for you. Yung verse part niya is dalawang ulit na chords. So, ngayon is yung first chord na ginagamit ko is the F major. Pwede itong gamitin mas madali kaysa sa bar chord kung mahirapan kayo mag bar chord. So, yung bar chord ng F is ganito. Middle finger in the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger in the 4th string, 3rd fret. Ring finger in the 5th string, 3rd fret. Kung ayaw nyo gamitin, you can use the hindi magbabar chord, ito yung gamitin nyo, index finger, dito sa baba. F major. Next chord is a D7. A D7 chord is a ring finger in the 5th string, 5th fret. Middle finger in the 4th string, 4th fret, and little finger in the 3rd string, 5th fret. Next is in the index finger, 2nd string in the 3rd fret. Meron ding D7 na mas madali. Ito, D7. But I prefer to use this. Ito yung ginamit ni version nila ni Chin sa Mymp. Kung pakikinggan nyo yung audio niya, so ito yung maririnig nyo. Pero kung nahihirapan kayo sa D7 chord na to, I think it's a modified chord na D7. So ito, especially for you, wanna let you know. So pwede din makukuha naman yung tono ng kanta. But I prefer this song. So next chord is G minor 7. G minor 7 is middle finger in the 6th string, 3rd fret. Mute, so yung nakamute yung 5th string, and then ring finger in the 4th string, 3rd fret. Little finger in the 3rd string, 3rd fret. Next chord is C9. So, yan. C9, middle finger in the 5th string, 3rd fret. Index finger, 4th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret. And then little finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret. ulit sa F major or here bar chord or ito. You're in my heart. So F major, itong chord na to is C over E. So bar chord ka sa 5th string gamit ang index finger, 5th fret, 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. And then, ring finger mo nasa 5th string, 7th fret. You're in my... So, kung nahihirapan kayo itong C over E, you can use this C, but you include this strumming pattern, the E. Ito nyo ha. Okay. This chord na ginamit ko is E flat 9 add 6. So E flat 9 add 6 parang ito, it's middle finger in the 6th string, 6th fret, and then bar chord butong tatlo. Sa index finger mo yung 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string sa 5th fret. No, it's only 4th and 3rd string bar chord niya. So, and then the ring finger here in the 2nd string, 6th fret, and little finger in the 6th fret, 1st string. That's your E flat 9 add 6. Next is the B flat over D. Parang E over C or E kanina yung tinuro ko. So move mo lang dito sa 3rd fret, bar chord papuntang next chord is B flat minor 7. Pwede dito sa 6th fret. Nakita nyo naman, naka-bar chord sa 6th fret and ring finger nasa 8th fret, 5th string. Pwede din dito, para kang nag-B minor 7. Then next chord is C9. Balik ulit, verse, especially for you. Pangalawang balik is when di ka na magsi-C9. Okay. Next part is the pre-chorus. So, ito yung pre-chorus natin. So, yeah. First chord na ginamit ko is the F major, yung pwedeng bar chord, pwede din ito. Next chord is the A7, or I prefer to use bar chord here. 5th fret, bar chord sa index finger mo sa 5th fret, middle finger mo nasa 3rd string, 6th fret, ring finger mo is nasa 5th string, 7th fret. Or yung basic na A7, ito. Third chord is D minor 7. Yung ginawa ko kanina na B minor 7, lipat mo lang ito ang putang 5th fret. It's D minor 7. Next chord is si B flat. B flat. Para kang nag-B. It's B, or i-move mo lang siya sa 1st fret. Or pwede din dito sa 6th fret. But I prefer to use bar chord dito. And then minor 7. next part natin is the chorus part. So, together, together, I wanna show you my heart is also true. All the love I have is especially for you. So, yung chord na ginamit ko is A minor 7. Para kang kanina nag-B flat minor. Ito, move mo lang sa 5th fret. Or yung basic chord na A minor 7. Ayan. Next chord is D minor 7. And then next is G minor. Kanina G minor 7. Sa verse, ito gagamit ka. Pero pwede rin G minor 7. But I use G minor chord. And next chord is C9. So yung chord na yon, yung part na chord na yon is tatlong balik. Together, wanna show you my heart is also true. All the love I have is special. So after ng tatlong balik na chord part, so F major and then C9. Then balik sa verse. After ng verse, second verse, balik ulit sa pre-chorus and then chorus agad. Then next is chorus part. Yung adlib part natin is ganito. After ng chorus niya C9, yung ginawa ko lang konting adlib, and sa adlib part kailangan mo yung isang gitara para makuha mo yung ano. Pati adlib chord is so ganito. After ng C9, gagamitin mo lang is yung second string. So yung chord niya is parang sa verse. Ito, yung verse. Yung sa verse na sugar in my heart, my love never changed, my love never changed, and now that I'm next to you. So yan, hindi ka na pupunta sa C, parang nagve-verse ka lang ng adlib, but mayroon siyang outro na balik ulit sa pre-chorus, and then next is after pre-chorus, chorus again, and then yung last part niya is so especially for together, together, I wanna show you how this so true. All the love I have is especially for you. F, last part. Ang last part niya na chord is coda. C9. So, ito yung ending natin. F major. So yun, just familiarize the song, and para hindi kayo mahirapan masunod yung mga chords na tinuturo ko, And hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial ko ngayon. And just don't forget to click like and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga bago kong tutorials. And also follow my Facebook page, nasa link description po, nasa baba. And then if you have some requested songs, you can comment down below. So yun lang. God bless.